Hello everyone. So this is going to be a short informative video about the lunar eclipse that is going to happen, and its time in India is 26 May 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. Most of us relate this lunar eclipse to negativity. So here are some remedies you can do to remove negativity and cut out the negativity from your lives in this lunar eclipse. So stay tuned throughout the video. So make sure you listen to it and apply these things so that you can remove the negativity. Okay. So when you will do all these things, you will feel an instant shift in your energy from negativity to positivity. This is very powerful. When you will apply these things, you will see the results next day after doing these. Okay, so let's get started. And it's a request to all of you, please do not link these things, these remedies, to superstitions. It is not superstition. So whatever we have known from years and whatever we have been told, we are only using those things to program our mind. So what you have to do, you have to write the negative things on a paper that you think are obstacles in manifesting the things that you want. So it can be any negative thought, any negative emotion, any panic, fear you have that is stopping you from manifesting your dream. Okay, it can be your desperation as well for that thing. You are not letting it go. So write it on a paper. You have to do it from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. when the lunar eclipse is actually happening. The time in India is 26th May 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, in your country do it according to your time, the time it is happening in your country. So write about the wishes that you have already worked upon and you are working upon from a long time and they are not manifesting. So what are the obstacles you think? So you have to write those negative emotions. You don't have to write the wish, you have to write the negativity that is stopping you from manifesting that wish. So when you write all these things and you are satisfied that you have written all of the negativity, what you have to do next is burn that paper in the evening. Make sure you do not harm yourself or anyone while doing this. You have to destroy that piece of paper on which you have written those negative things. Okay, you have to destroy it by burning. And please be careful while doing this. Do not hurt yourself or any other. Be safe while doing this, because the COVID situation is worst right now. So you may go to a nearby place near your house and burn that paper. You may go to your terrace and burn that. Wherever you feel it's comfortable for you, do that. So that was one thing. Second thing, what you have to do is you have to chant any of these mantras that I am telling, or you can go with your religious things. I personally feel that religious things help you to get rid of negativity instantly. I have knowledge about my religion, so I am telling you about this. No offense to any religion. So you can chant all of these mantras or you can listen to them. So these are the mantras that you can chant. Om Kleem Krishnaya Namaha. You can find it on YouTube videos. You can listen to it and chant it if you want. And second one is Om. You can listen to the sound of Om repeatedly. And you can chant Mahamrityunjay mantra. It will beautifully remove the negativity. the negative emotions that you are feeling. Now, the third thing you can do to attract the positivity, what you have to do is you have to meditate. As we all know that meditation calms our mind. I recommend 5 senses meditation in this time. Do follow that, it is very easy to follow. You will feel peaceful after doing this meditation. You can do it whenever you want, in the night, afternoon, evening, whenever you feel like you have to do that meditation. So whenever the lunar eclipse start in your country, you have to do it after that. You will definitely benefit from these things if you follow these, and you will feel the positivity next day in your house and around your surroundings. So do follow these. Make sure to leave note in the comment section after doing this.